Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your email communication preferences on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and tap on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on manage account, and after that you should tap on this email notifications section, tap on manage on the right side, and then you will be directed to this manage your email communication preferences section where you can tap on newsletters and services. So here you can turn on these options, whether you would like to get an email notification about deal discoveries, rewards, and so on. But if you don't want to turn them on one by one by tapping on these buttons, just tap on the subscribe to all button and then you will receive notifications about these. If you tap on reservations, you can also set your email preferences in terms of your reservations. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.